so I'm going to go over how to transfer money into your Coinbase wallet. If you're not using Coinbase, I'll put a link in the description and you can sign up to use Coinbase if you wish. What we're going to do is the base package of the CFX is $300. So what we're going to need to do is make sure that I have about $306 in my Coinbase wallet here to be able to purchase the first package of the CFX. So after logging into Coinbase, you can see I've already got a balance in here, $51.31, which is US. So all I need to do is go into the buy and sell, and I'm going to put in about 265 US. So I'm going to click on the buy sell button up here. Okay, and now automatically it's in Canadian dollars. Obviously I want US dollars, but because my account shows Canadian dollars or BTC, we're going to keep this on CAD, but I am going to go over to the conversion. So I just go into Google and I type in convert USD to CAD, and you can see I've got it in here already. $340 Canadian is going to give me about 267.74 US. So that'll be more than enough here to do that. So I want to make sure that I'm putting in an additional $340 into my Coinbase wallet here. Okay, and now I've already got my accounts set up to be able to transfer the money into it back and forth, so that's very nice. Also, to transfer money out, you can use PayPal. They just don't have it available to transfer in to Coinbase with PayPal yet. But anyways, we'll get into that when we start withdrawing money. But for now, we're going to deposit 340 Canadian, which will give me about 267 USD. So I'm just going to preview. Okay, and I needed to do a little bit of extra because you can see that the Coinbase fee here is $13.05. So that gives me about $326.95, which with this balance here will be enough to purchase the CFX. We can just go and double check. And it gives me 256 plus the 51 is going to be about $307. So that will give me enough there. Okay, and then we're just going to click on the buy now. And everything is done. We're just going to wait for it to go through. I'll get some confirmations in via the email, but that's how you add money into your Coinbase portfolio. You can also check the wallet here and just see what's going on. Okay, so here's the recent transaction here. Bought Bitcoin. So we can click on that. We got the reference. And we can see that the transaction's being completed. And if we scroll over here, there we go. Now we can see that our portfolio balance has now been updated. and we've got the 307.87 in here to go over and purchase our CFX first package. Alright, I hope this helps you guys using Coinbase. I'll put a link in the description, and if you wanted to sign up for it, great. And you want to give the CFX a try, then that's fantastic. We'll talk to you guys later.